This is the Debye Length Interactive Calculator, which computes the characteristic shielding distance in plasmas and electrolytes. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu: Plasma Debye Length from T and Ne, Electrolyte Debye Length from concentration, Electron temperature from LD and Ne, Electron density from LD and Te, Ion concentration from LD and electrolyte, and normalize Debye length as LD over object size. For this demonstration, I'm using Plasma Debye Length mode. The input fields are electron temperature in EV and electron density in M3. Let's work through an example. With electron temperature set to 3.5 EVs and electron density at 1e16 M3, clicking Calculate gives us these results. The Debye length equals 1.391 E4 meters, which converts to 139.076 micrometers. This tells us the distance over which charges are screened in the plasma. Particles in Debye sphere shows 1.13 E plus 5, confirming we have over 100,000 particles within a Debye sphere. Plasma frequency is 5.64 GHz, indicating the natural oscillation frequency of electrons. The status shows a green check with Hoorer plasma behavior valid ND much greater than 1 Hoorer, verifying our plasma approximation is justified. This tool helps engineers quickly validate plasma parameters for their applications. Find the link in the description below.